Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to allow tags from people you follow on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to allow tags from people you follow on your Instagram, then I will show you simple method how to do this. You have to just open your Instagram app. In bottom you will find your profile icon. Tap on that. After that, in top right side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on that. Scroll down. In this you can see how other can interact with you. Under this you will find tags and mention. Select this. Here you will find the second option, allow tags from people you follow. Just select this option and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can allow tags from people you follow on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.